Anthony Gramani, president of Sonitus USA, and I'm in front of a stack of our Sonitus deco traps. These are known as bass traps. They're low frequency absorbers, which is job is to control the low frequency fill that rooms typically tend to do to speakers. You take a perfectly good pair of speakers, you put them in the room, and at some frequencies, there's actually going to be a lot of loading, as they say, of some bass sounds. And that makes the sound in the bass regions be muddy and slow and just blah. So the job that these guys have to do is to control and suck out the bass in the low frequency region only. The deco trap is built specially in that it's a combination of a thick chunk of foam, of polyester high density foam, covered in the front with a resonating plate, a diaphragm plate made out of wood, solid wood, and then painted in different colors and different textures to match your interior. You can get it in red, you can get it in walnut, in black, white. There's also different sculpture styles, whatever you like. They do about the same job. The way they work is, as opposed to a regular what's called frictional absorber, this thing being a diaphragm absorber collects the low frequency and squishes the chunk of foam and expands back out and squishes and expands back out with the sound waves in the bass. And through that pressure, it converts the acoustic energy from the speakers into mechanical energy and friction and dissipates them into heat. So the result is you've gotten rid of your low frequency buildup. You put these in the corners, like we have over here in the front part of our room, and magically, voila, the low frequency is controlled. You need about 2 of these for a small room, 4 of those for a mid-sized room, and 8 of them for a larger room. And you want to put them where the low frequency is obviously the most prominent, the most excited, and where you can listen to it just by ear, walking around the corners and finding, wow, the bass is really boomy here. Stick a few of them on there, and your general tonality in the room will be a lot better. Deco trap.